What is up, guys? Apparently today is a public holiday. It's Tuesday, so that means I didn't know at first. Now that I know, so we're going to Panda. I am heading over to the workshop to actually continue descending the most probably like what 20% left of the engine bay and literally finish it off, so that we can spray the engine bay on the Panda. So, see you at Alvin. Habis minyak je. Oh. Banyak gila kereta. Yo, exhaust Thailand. We are at Alvin already, and I don't even know where to park. I think I'm just gonna park in front here. There's a lot of cars, bro. Gila lah bunyi tu. Dominic Tomato. Today we explore KK World. 1000cc bolt on, 215 horsepower. Morning guys. Hari ni kita ada grill honeycomb. Mun beli Myvi mesti bolt on kakak. Sah mau jawab. Oh, nam pakai mask bah. Myvi bolt on. Kereta dolar saya dalam sana. Tengok. Uyo. K3. Expensive intake. Oh my god. Guys, buy one free 10. Jalan seminggu tidur sebulan. Jalan seminggu tidur sebulan. Tidur tahun. Dan yang the best. Pakai botol mineral. Sepeteng. Cuy, nang banyak lah Lisa tu. Lisa deh. Kelisa deh. Gino, Kelisa. Kelisa. Proses undercut. 1K. Aku pun 13 Pak Bin.
Hah?
Aku pun 13 Kak.
13 ah?
Idol tinggi baru yang 14.
15 lah.
Oh 13 oh. 13.1 kan 13.2. Ini tomato. Dominic Tomato. Pedas bunyi. Oh gila lah bunyi ya. Today's progress. Very shiny. Epoxy layer on engine bay. Ooh. Looks good. In the hands of Elvin. Then next layer will be putty. All these holes. Next episode. And then will be undercoat. Yeah. And have to sandpaper the nose cut and the front here. Looks good. A lot of progress today. Then with this epoxy, it will not rust. It's a layer that protects the engine bay from rusting, so saves a lot of my effort. Looks real good. Cantik lah Bin. And Elvin's muscle car already moving. Going to for the exhaust piping and connecting to the turbo. That is the Silica 1JZ update. Man, it sounds so good. Love it. So that is the update on Panda. Sprayed epoxy on it. It looks a lot different now. Feel like all my hard work has paid off, and plus Elvin's spraying skill, it looks really good. I'm super satisfied with the outcome of today. The next one will be putty, and yeah, the putty is gonna be taking, I'm guessing, a little time as well, because you know, like we have to cover up all the holes, and there's like a lot of holes on the screw that's not going to be used, and we are covering all that holes in the next session. So yeah, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.